It is flag time, my dudes. Told you it's time for flag. It's hailing. Oh my goodness, there's debris. Leaves are getting picked up. This is, I think the National Weather Service has issued a wind hazard for my area. So stay tuned to more videos today. Yippee! Wow, that's some strong winds today. Those are some strong winds, and tomorrow it's supposed to get to 18 miles per hour and 12 miles per hour, so hope that won't be that bad for today. I'm glad to be an American. Yeah. My name is a puppy. I'm the one that came from space. That was just a joke. I don't know what my mom said, but he's just probably talking to my gunny. Now, yeah. Guys, I literally just woke up. I ate tires for breakfast. Yay! Flag go lemonade. Ooh! Inga mama namalose. Oh, it's picking up. I don't know what's doing, but come on, let's get some good old dust. Alright, stay tuned for some more videos. Bye-bye, little guy.